How to change password on FastBull. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your password for the FastBull account. So first of all, open a web browser and type in fastbull.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official homepage, log into your FastBull account, and once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, select Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings page, go ahead and scroll down and click on Account Security. This will open up the account info section where you'll need to click edit right next to user password. Choose the way to reset your password, which is only one that is using an email address in my case. If you have any other option, you can choose any one that you'd like. So after making a selection, go ahead and enter your email address that is associated with your account to receive the reset link. Once you are done, click on Send Reset Link button and you'll receive a password reset link sent to your email inbox. Go ahead and open up your new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox. After opening up your email inbox, click Open the email from FastBull. Once you do that, scroll down and click on Reset Password and enter your new password you want to change to on the next page. Once you are done, head over to the next field and confirm the password by re-entering it again. Finally, click on Set Password. And now you have successfully changed your password on FastBull. Next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.